Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Area Part 2 Extension. Area. This is another extension topic that gives Year 1 students an interesting challenge. As we saw in an earlier video, area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. The shapes we will look at in this video will have straight lines. Units of area. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in centimetres, the area is stated in square centimetres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in metres, the area is stated in square metres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in kilometres, the area is stated in square kilometres. And there are many other units that can be used. So let's look at the idea of the square unit. Area is measured in square units. This square has an area of 1 square centimetre. Now the unit is the centimetre. So that's why the area is 1 square centimetre. It is basically a square where the length of each side is 1 centimetre. So in short, the area is 1 square centimetre. So we can write the cm with a little 2 there, and that's a short way of writing 1 square centimetre. If the square has a side of 1 metre by 1 metre, the area is 1 square metre. So it's a square where each side is 1 metre. If the square has each side 1 kilometre, then the area is 1 square kilometre. Each of the following shapes have been made using small squares. Each square has sides of length 1 centimetre. For each diagram, calculate the perimeter and area. So basically we have 1 centimetre for each of those small squares here, see? Okay, so that's the case for every one of those squares. So the perimeter will be 4 centimetres plus 4 centimetres plus 4 centimetres plus 4 centimetres, and that's 16 square centimetres. The area is also 16 square centimetres because just count the squares up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's have a look at this construction here using matchsticks. Each match is 1 centimetre in length. So the perimeter, you can start from anywhere to calculate the perimeter. So let's pretend we've started from here. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. So remember, the perimeter is the distance around the outside. So when we add all those up, the perimeter is 12 centimetres. As for the area, let's have a look how many squares there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since each square is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre, the area is 5 square centimetres. So that's the long way of writing it. 5 square centimetres. You actually write the words. If you want to do it the short way, you can write, as I said earlier, 5 centimetres squared, which means 5 square centimetres. Now the same here. Each of those little squares is 1 centimetre. So that's 1 centimetre and that's 1 centimetre. And that's the same for each square. So for the perimeter we have 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. And that's 18 centimetres. The area, if you add all the squares up, you have 4, 8, 11, 13. 13 square centimetres. So this video has looked at area in a slightly challenging way, where we've actually looked at how to express the area when we know the length of each side of the smaller squares. And the units are square units, and we've already seen how to use that for particular units.